Solve for x. 8 plus 2x is equal to negative 12. So since we are solving for x, x is in the left side of the equation. So first we have to eliminate 8 here. So in order to eliminate 8, we have to use subtraction property of equality and subtract 8 to both sides of the equation. Now, we have 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, so it will be cancelled. Bring down 2x is equal to negative 12 plus negative 8 is equal to negative 20. Now divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it will become 1x or simply x. Negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. So the answer is x is equal to negative 10. Next, for the second question, if 14x plus 5 is equal to 47, what is the value of 5x plus 4? So first, we have to solve for the value of x here, and then later on, in order to get the value of 5x plus 4, we have to substitute the value of x here in this expression. So first, we have 14x plus 5 is equal to 47. So we have to use subtraction property of equality, subtract 5 to both sides of the equation. Then, so 5 minus 5, this will be cancelled because it's 0. Bring down 14x, 47 plus negative 5, or 47 minus 5 is 42. Now, so we have to divide both sides by 14. So 14 divided by 14 is 1, or simply x. 42 divided by 14 is 3. Now that we already solved for the value of x, which is 3, we're going to substitute 3 here in the expression. So we have 5x plus 4. The computed value of x is 3. So we will replace or substitute 3 here. It will become 5 times 3 plus 4. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So the value of 5x plus 4 is 19. Next, if A is equal to 210 plus 30b and A is equal to 240, what is the value of B? In the given, it says here that A is equal to 240. Now we're going to substitute this 240 to the value of A here in our equation. So instead of writing A, we can write 240 is equal to 210 plus 30b. Now, since we are solving for the value of b, we have to eliminate 210. We can eliminate 210 by subtracting both sides of the equation by 210. So 210 minus 210, this will be 0. 240 minus 210 is 30, is equal to, bring down 30b. Now we can divide both sides by 30. So 30 divided by 30 is simply 1, or 1b. 30 divided by 30 is 1. So the value of b is equal to 1. Next, solve for the inequality and graph it. So here we have negative 4x plus 14 is greater than or equal to 18. We have to eliminate 14 first. So we can eliminate it by using subtraction property of equality. So we have to subtract 14 to both sides of the inequality. 14 minus 14 this will become 0. So bring down negative 4x is greater than or equal to 18 minus 14 is 4. Now, divide both sides by negative 4. So, negative 4 divided by negative 4 is 1, or simply x. 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. Now, since we divide a negative number to both sides of the inequality symbol will flip. If this is greater than or equal to, it will become less than or equal to. So instead of using this, it will become less than or equal to. Remember, this will only happen if we divide a negative number. So now we have x is less than or equal to negative 1. X is less than or equal to negative 1. So class, remember, since the inequality symbol here is less than or equal to, remember, just a review, if the inequality symbol is less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we are going to use closed circle. And if the inequality symbol is less than or greater than, we are going to use open circle. Since our answer is less than or equal to, we are going to use closed circle. So we have less than or equal to negative 1, so we're going to use closed circle. And then what are the value of x that is less than negative 1? So these are the values. So we are going to shade from negative 1 to the left. Okay? So that is the graph on the number line. Next, for the last question, the volume of triangular prism is V is equal to BHL over 2, or base times height times length divided by 2. Now, what is the result of solving this equation for L? So we have V is equal to B times H times L divided by 2. So since we have a denominator of 2, we can use cross multiplication. We can cross multiply this. So we have V times 2. So V times 2 will give us 2V is equal to B times H times L. So since we are solving for L, in order to eliminate B times H, we have to divide both sides by B times H so that we can cancel this. Okay? So we can cancel B times H. So after canceling it, we will have L. So we have 2V over B times H. So this is our final answer.